Hey everybody, Robey here with a Divi Engine quick tip for you, and today we are taking a look at Divi Machine and a feature I don't think many of you know about, and quite honestly, I didn't know about until very recently myself. So, Divi Machine has the ability to, on this simple layout that I have here, this is an archive loop module that is able to update another sectional area on the page based on which of these posts I click on. So if I click on this one, for example, it goes ahead and updates this without a page reload, which is a pretty cool feature. And we already know that we could do the pop-up when clicking on the View Post button, but this is another great way to engage users on your site. So let's take a look at how to do that right now. Here I am on another post. It's not the same one we looked at before because I click on it and here we see the expected behavior pulls up that post. So I'm just going to go back here. And you're going to see how quick and easy this is. All I'm going to do is enable my visual builder. All right, now I know we all can't wait for Divi 5 when this is going to be nice and easy. And then we've got the classic double load. Love it. But it is loading up and here we go. Okay, so now you guys can see here, all this is an archive loop module. And then just to show you guys, when I look over here, these are just image modules and text or whatever. What we need to do to be able to update a section on the page from the archive loop is just go down and you'll see extra options here. All you got to do is enable show detail in the same page. And now it's going to ask you, what is the content wrapper selector? Now that's got to be a class or something that you set. I would just say dot detail page or whatever, what you want to do. And then the other thing you need to do is select a layout. Now, I have a tour listing loop, which is this one right here, but I have a special one here called Safari Tour Layout. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. Now, just one thing regarding this loop layout. It is honestly nothing different than any of the other loops you build out. It is just throw the modules on there and Divi Machine will do the rest of the magic. So I'm going to go ahead. Now, that's not going to work yet. Now, we need to remember, add that class, and I made a details-page to the wrapper that I want. So I've got my row settings here. Now this can be another row, it could be a column, it could be a section, whatever you want it to be. I'm using my second column here. And then all you got to do is go to the Advanced tab, CSS ID and classes, and then I'm going to add that class here. So I'll say detail-page, which is the same one. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. And it's just double check and make sure I am not crazy. And detail-page. Great. All you got to do then is save it all, and I will just click Save here. And then once that is done, I will exit the Visual Builder. And now let's see, we've got the URL here. It's the demo. Let's click on that one, and bam, it updates. Nice. You can click to a different one, and you'll see that it updates to the other one, and it's that simple. So if you're not using Divi Machine yet, what's wrong with you? Why aren't you using it? Go get it now at diviengine.com. I will link this layout as well as some other things in the description of this video, so definitely check it out. Okay, guys, that's it from the Divi Engine team. Catch you in the next one real soon. Bye for now.